FinTech. What is it, and what will it mean for your business and your benefit plan? Next, here on Copperstone Corner. Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into the corner. I'm Kirk Longmire. FinTech. I've been reading about it now for the last couple of years, and I wanted to put a post on it. So if you're not familiar with the term FinTech, it's called financial technology, kind of the acronym that's being used to describe. And it's basically described as any technological innovation in the financial services sector. Now, this can include advances in financial education, and retail banking, and investments, and of course, in the insurance world. Now, a recent study was done by PricewaterhouseCoopers that said the fintech movement has become such a disruptive force in such a short time that the established financial institutions are quickly reconsidering their business models. Bottom line is, they risk that significant parts of their value chain will soon become obsolete with the changes that are happening. You know, banks, insurance companies, and investment houses have come under this assault from these new technologies. Bottom line is, it's threatening their status quo. Once they thought they were secure, you know, they had the size, they had the product offering, and they were diverse, and the cost of entering their marketplace was exceptionally high. The big thing that has happened is technology. Technology has removed a lot of the barriers, and they've done it at such a rapid pace that it's anticipated that by 2020, up to 25% of the financial industry's current revenue will be at risk. Now, keep in mind, 2020 is only 3 years away. So let's start off by giving an example of what exactly FinTech is and what it can do. So in the past, if you had a brand new idea that you wanted to bring to the marketplace, you really only had one choice, and that was to go and find venture capital. And that was pretty well the only way to get your project off the ground. So if you're familiar with venture capital at all, it's very complex. It's a difficult world to navigate. If you're unfamiliar with it, it's hard to understand. And essentially with venture capital, you need to convince a bunch of unfamiliar investors that your idea has enough merit for them, obviously, to invest. Well, today, you have cloud-based crowdfunding. So these are sites that bring a large number of people together who probably already have an understanding of the industry that you're in. Once you launch your idea, they immediately see the value. And when there's so many of them, they make multiple small donations or small investments, depending on the type of investment that you're looking for, and that gets that idea off the ground. So essentially, crowdfunding harnesses the power of your tribe. And crowdfunding is actually growing so quickly that it's anticipated it will actually outpace venture capital as a way of getting new ideas to marketplace literally in the coming months. So that just gives you an idea of the impact that financial technology is having on the financial world. And again, very, very quickly. So what does that mean for your benefit plan, and what does it mean for the future? Well, I believe it means the day is quickly coming when the delivery model and the service expectations that you've come to have for all of your financial services products are going to change dramatically. You know, plans will be offered directly to you, the consumer, with the ability to cut out all the distribution levels that you currently have. I believe that employers will have a single platform that will integrate not only their benefits, but all their HR process, including employee benefits, retirement saving contributions, I believe HR processes, and payroll. Essentially, one point of entry for all administrative duties. They'll all be purchased online, and I believe they'll all be able to be purchased with the support of an advisor. If you don't want one, you don't need one. So I can hear all the gasps out there from the advisors saying, "Oh, Kirk, you're crazy. You know, my clients would never shop online, or they would never, to agree to this kind of stuff without advice." And I certainly agree with the vast majority of that. But the bottom line is, and the reason for this video today is a lot of what I just mentioned is already happening. This is not new. Online pioneers such as Zenefits, they already exist. They are already integrating those HR services and benefits together on one online platform. In France, there was a new startup just called Elan, and I hope I pronounced that right, where you can go on and you can pick your benefit plan, quote it, sign up members, and print all your contract wordings off online in real time without ever speaking to a soul. You know, the bottom line is the change is happening, and it's happening quickly. And in the coming years, you know, as some of the young millennials start taking leadership roles in various companies, I guarantee you it will only happen faster. It's about creating efficiencies in the delivery and the service models that we currently have, and currently the structure can't support them, so things will change. So here at Copperstone Financial, this isn't new for us. We've been working towards this for some time. Last year, we launched our web-based platform called Claims Plus Solutions. And, through our Claims Plus platform, we fully intend to grow a suite of online products and services that are going to be delivered in the future. We know change is coming, and we're investing heavily in the various technologies that are going to be able to meet the needs of our clients. Now, we're already working with many of those clients to help them see the potential in these changes. And it's our goal, of course, to help educate not only our existing clients, but the larger business community here in the Valley to show them how best that they can leverage these changes to benefit their business. 2017 is literally only a month away. And over the coming year, we know we're going to be launching a number of exciting initiatives under our Claims Plus banner that will give a lot more context to the changes that we see coming. And it will certainly help you take advantage of the financial tech revolution that is happening right here, and how we're going to show you how it can be done right here at home. We're going to be making benefits better. And needless to say, it's going to be an interesting year as this transition continues. Well, everybody, that's my comments from the corner today. As always, drop me a line. I'd like to hear your thoughts on the financial tech revolution. Do you think it's going to be what I think it's going to be? Be anxious to hear your comments. So until next time, I'm Kirk Longmire, and remember, here at Copperstone Financial, we do better benefits with a human touch.